Hi students, good morning. Today I am going to start with the first chapter in the Pitman shorthand, that is the consonants. So we are going to follow the book Pitman's Shorthand Instructor and Key. So from this book we are going to deal our theory classes and all the things in the upcoming chapters. So first and foremost, you should know about consonants for learning and to become perfect in the stenography language. So there are different chapters like the consonants, the vowels, the intervening vowels and in position, all the things, all the different chapters we will be having. If you complete till here, from here to here, you can become perfect in 80 words per minute. And daily practice, after this you will be having speed dictations, that is at the rate of 80 words per minute. I am going to give the dictations of that in the upcoming classes. Okay, first we'll discuss with the consonants. Okay now. So here comes a chapter 1, the consonants. I'm not going to deal everything in this. These are just theory. So after that, if you learn theory from the theory books during exams, you can become perfect. I'm going to tell only the practical part which you need to practice and to get perfect in this language. So the consonants will start. So consonants, consonants are the result of audible friction or stopping of the breath in some part of the mouth or throat. So while pronouncing these consonants, some breath is stopped in our throat, so which is not completely sent out, but little bit is stopped in our throat, in our mouth. So there are different consonants, like we'll start from here. See, this is a table of consonants. We have 24 consonants in shorthand. See, P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, G, F, V, It, D, S, G, Ish, Z, M, N, Ing, L, T, L, R, Re. In R we have two types, upward and downward. W, W, A, He. In H also we have two types, downward and upward H. So step by step we'll prepare. So first we deal with the explodents. So in consonant, this consonants is divided into 6 types. Are you getting 6 types? So in this first one is explodents. Okay. Second one is continuants. Okay. Third one is nasals. Okay. Fourth one is liquids. Okay. Fifth one is coalescence. And sixth one is aspirate. So these are all the different types which are there in consonants. So in each type we will be having different strokes that we are going to discuss now. So before that I want to tell one thing. So for writing this shorthand we should have broad rule book. Okay, are you seeing this book? These type of lines we should have in that book. So then only you can practice well. And you should have steno pencil. Okay, na? Apsara steno pencil or any pencil which is related to steno, you can use it. Okay. So first we'll start with explodents. Okay, in today's class we'll discuss explodents. So explodents. In these explodents we have 8 types. Okay, these 8 types are called as straight strokes. In this, these are all the straight strokes, but in this we have only 2 horizontal strokes. Okay, HS is nothing but horizontal strokes. Okay, so see this table here. So explodents part, they kept the bracket here, P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, G till here. 8 are there, no? From here it is continuance. So we should learn till here explodents. So first one is P, no? P. First one is P. It is light stroke. Okay, na? Light stroke. P. So the pronunciation for is P. P, D, P, E, E, P. Okay, na? For as examples they give post, rope. These are all the examples. So P. So imagine there is one circle like this. Put one X mark here. Okay, see, start from here and till here. Okay, like this. So see how I am writing here. P P P P P P P P P P. Okay, this is light stroke, and only in single stretch we should write it. Okay, like this. P P P P. We should not write start here and stop here, and again we should not continue. In one single stretch we should write it. Okay, P P P P. Okay, and this every stroke must be 1/6 of an inch. So imagine this one full line is one inch. Okay, this is 1/3 of. Okay, now off till here 1/3. Sorry, this is 1 inch, 1/3, 1/6. Okay, like this. From here to here we should start. P P P P P. So next one is B. Okay, now see, this is B. After that T D J J K G, we are dealing with B. So B is same like P, but it will look heavy stroke. Okay, B B B B B B B B B B B B B B B B B. Okay, like this you practice each stroke one full page, full page like this, one complete page you practice each stroke. Okay, now after that B you practice one full page. So we'll move to next stroke, which is T. Okay, see here, T T. Okay, tip fate. So T is light stroke. So imagine there is one circle. So they put like this. Start from here until here. Okay, like this. Okay, so I told in the beginning. So every stroke must be 1/6 of an inch. Like this. T T T T T T T T T T T T T. Same like 1. It should look like 1, but it should be 1/6 of an inch. T. After that we'll move to D. So D is same like T, but it look heavy stroke. Okay, D D D. While writing heavy strokes, we should press the pencil little bit. Okay, D D D D D D. Okay, after PBTD what we have? Che. Chest. H. We should pronounce it as CH. Che. CH. Che. It is light stroke. So imagine there is one big circle like this. Like this will be having no. So P we write like this. Okay, na? B we write like this only, heavy stroke. T we write like this, light stroke. T we write like this, heavy stroke. So Che, how we should write means, so this T is there, no? We should bend little bit. Okay, na? Not this much. We should bend only 15 degrees. 15 degrees we should bend, and from top to bottom we should write. So imagine, see here, T is there like this. Only 15 degrees we should bend, only little bit. Bend like this and write like this. Che. 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 It is light stroke. Che. 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 After Che we have J. J A Y. J. Okay, na? It is heavy stroke. So same like Che, it will be written as heavy stroke. Che. J. 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 Okay. So these are all the straight strokes. These 8 are called as straight strokes, but only 2. This is K, G. Okay, K G is light stroke, it is heavy stroke. These two are called as horizontal strokes. These are included in straight strokes, but only these two are called as horizontal strokes, but these are also called as straight strokes. Okay, K is written as on the line horizontally. We should draw one line. Okay, this line should be 1/6 of inch. So when you write this line horizontally, it should be 1/6. When you stand it, when you're making it stand, it should look like 1/6. Okay, light stroke, it is K exactly on the line we should write. Okay, G is same like K, but we should write it as heavy stroke. See, G G G G G G. Done. We are done with all the explodents. There are 8 types of explodents which are called as straight strokes, and KG is called as horizontal strokes. Okay, now so practice each and every stroke in one page, and after completing all the strokes, drill it out. Okay, so that means from starting P B T D J J K G. In reverse manner you practice again. G K J J D T B P. Like this you practice one complete page, so that you can practice easily. You can become perfect easily in this explodents. Done. So in the next class we'll discuss about continuance. Okay, practice well each stroke, one complete page.